In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate an invoice in Xero. This is really handy if you regularly bill the same customer or you have recurring charges that are mostly the same each time. Instead of rebuilding an invoice from scratch, you can copy an existing one, tweak the details, and send it off in a fraction of the time. Let's get started from the very beginning, right from your browser. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero, because the invoices you see will be specific to that organization. Once you're in, look at the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to get to the invoices section using that menu. Find and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming into your business, including quotes, customers, and of course, invoices. After you click on Sales, a submenu or list of options will appear. From here, click on Invoices. This will take you to the main Invoices page. You should now see a list of invoices, usually organized by status, such as draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or paid. Take a moment to orient yourself and, if needed, use any filters or search options to quickly find the invoice you want to duplicate. Next, select the invoice you'd like to copy. Click on that invoice to open it. You'll now be looking at the full invoice details, including the contact, dates, line items, amounts, and totals. This is the invoice that will act as your template for the new one. Now look towards the top right corner of the invoice screen. I'll show you the easiest way to access the duplicate option from here. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take on this invoice. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Copy to Draft Invoice. This tells Xero that you want to create a new invoice based on the one you're currently viewing, and you want that new invoice to start out as a draft. Keeping it as a draft is helpful because it lets you safely review and edit everything before you approve or send it. Once you've selected Copy to Draft Invoice, Xero will usually show you a confirmation or a screen where the new draft is prepared. At this point, click the button labeled Copy. This confirms that you do want to proceed with duplicating the invoice. Xero will then create a new draft invoice with the same details as the original: the contact, line items, descriptions, prices, and tax settings. From here, you can update anything that needs to change, such as the invoice date, due date, reference, or any line item amounts. When you're happy with it, you can save, approve, and send it just like any other invoice, and that's all there is to it. By copying an existing invoice to a draft, you can speed up your invoicing process and keep your records consistent without manually re-entering the same details over and over.